What's up, BBs? We are in Miami, Florida. We are right at the beach here. We are at the Hilton Grand Vacations McAlpin Ocean Plaza. Let's check out the room, guys. Let's get inside, guys. So when we come in, we are in this nice living room area. Just over here, nice sized TV. There's a little small dining area. In the space right under the television, there are, let's walk over here. You'll find your extra bedding in here. Extra pillows, extra blankets, all that good stuff. Over here, we have our kitchenette. We have a full-size fridge and freezer. We have a nice stovetop, microwave. There's our ice bucket up here. We have strainer, pitcher, everything you might need in your kitchen. Have all our plates. We've got mixing cup, measuring cup, we have paper towels, full set of knives. There is a coffee machine with coffee. There is a electric kettle, so your toaster here. Here we have our glasses and more bowls. We have a very nice, well-stocked kitchen. Everything that you might need. Pots and pans down here. Cleaning supplies. Let's move on to the bedroom. Very nice size bed. It's very comfortable. Another nice size TV here on top of a dresser. Have a nice amount of space for all your clothes. Have your clock radio and 2 nightstands and lamps on both sides. We have a closet over here right inside the doorway. There's an ironing board and the iron in there and the safe as well. Nice art on the wall. So let's check out the bathroom, guys. Now this bathroom is a little tight. Has a very nice size shower though. Very nice shower with the detachable shower head. Very nice after a long day of walking out in the Miami heat. Have a nice mirror here, lit mirror. So I can get all dolled up. Have your towels and such. Nice more storage. More under here. Here's our one sink. Here's our hair dryer in this drawer here. We have our complimentary self-care products here. And this leads us back to the living area. Tell us what you think of the room, guys. Bye, BBs.